In front of me is Realme C61 and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Now tap on this plus at the bottom left corner and to add an audio file, select Files. Then hit Audio at the top, tap on one of those apps or click on those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. When you finished, you need to hold your audio file and tap on Select at the top right corner to attach it. To add a video one, hit Gallery section, look for your video here and click on it. Or if it's not recent, select Folders, look for it in Gallery app and click on it to attach it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!